We have some friends with us, but they are super camera shy, so I don't know if we'll be able to get them to talk or not.
What did he say? He said, "How was your surfing day at Silong Planet?" And I said, "The waves sucked."
What is your first impression of Indonesia?
Safety doesn't take a holiday.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
You want help in?
It won't untrap.
Oh.
5 a.m. Montauk. Life begins early. The fishermen wake up excited to be alive. They hope for good weather and good luck.
Madden sleeping amidst the whole fishing trip.
Strain and exhaustion have begun to take their toll.
Action.
Plastic.
Action.
Plastic.
Action.
Plastic. Plastic.
Climbing up the ladder, my ascent is the fastest. One-way ticket on the road to Damascus. They said it'd change when I sold a few cassettes, signed a few tags, and made a few fans. But now I hide emotions under Wayfarer glasses. Different drugs like the travel 10 bus passes. Never thought my life would be this tragic.
We're stuck together, so they're reeling in fish and we've caught each other once again.
Again, just like yesterday's massage. This, we got 3 people all catching fish. No, there is a big dolphin coming in, but we have a triple fish going on. Oh, this is a problem. And these dolphins are a problem.
On canopy.
Come up on them other boys hot. I'm up when I see the boogeyman with his hands in the cup. Baby girl, baby boy, mad hoes from the slots. I'll be all Phoenix, River time spent with E. I'll get on my knees, eat weed like a centipede, sleepy.